you have your audio, your inaudible audio that is being played out of a speaker. The inaudible audio corresponds to the QR code, and then you have something that captures the audio. In the QR world, it's the camera. In the USONIQ world, it's the microphone. So you use the microphone. The app uses the microphone to capture this signal, and the app converts the detected data into content, a message. So when you ask what is USONIQ, just think about QR codes. It's QR codes turned into sound, inaudible sound. And here at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a demonstration of how it works. So let's do that. So here we have an app. Just imagine that it's your app. Our technology is integrated into the app that you already have, and you have, I don't know, thousands of users who are already using this app. So we would integrate our technology into your app so that it would be able to receive data through the microphone. So when I tap this icon here, the app is listening for audio. It's capturing audio through the microphone. And here we have an audio player. That would be the speaker, the transmitter. And I'm going to go to the notification page here. So we'll see notifications pop up here when I start playing these radio spots. I'm going to turn it on. And we're ready to go. Let's play the first one. Alright, so she was talking about Grant Cardone and 10x, and a notification that's relevant, some content that's contextually relevant pops up on the phone. Time limited 10x offer. 10x your life, get your 10x mentor. The user can click that, sign up, and so on. Let's move on to the next radio spot. Alright, so that's an offer from Chili's. As soon as that plays, the offer from Chili's pops up. The user can tap it, get that offer, exclusive offer. Let's move on to the next one.
This summer, you can share a Coke and all kinds.
Alright, exclusive offer from Coca-Cola. VIP tickets, 50% off. And then let's move to the last one.
Buy one, take one is back.
Alright, Olive Garden. The last one here is an example of broadcast of payment requests. So I get this notification, it's actually my bill, and I'm ready to pay, so I just tap it. Select my card, type in my card, and all that stuff. Go next, and then I authorize the payment, and then I'm done. So our system, like I said, supports 3 key features: content distribution, data analytics, and payments over audio. Thank you for watching.